Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Dogelon Mars broke out a quite long-term up channel, and after that, it was trying to break out a very long-term and very strong resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud on a weekly time frame chart. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it broke out this up channel, and by the way, this was the huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And you can see that we had a long spike. In fact, we had a long spike even beyond this quite long-term resistance of $0.00000385 as well. But the price sign got rejected by this resistance, and then it again dropped down. And now after a retest of this previous resistance of the channel as a support, and after testing this support of 250, the price sign is gearing up. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line moves slightly down than these two support levels. The previous resistance of the channel that is now working as a support, and this support of $0.0000 and $0.002500, and recovered back after a few days. You can see after some price accumulation here, the price line recovered back, and now it is gearing up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for injective protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 11th of March 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite massive pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And previously, you can see that since after the month of October 2021, it was moving inside a very, very huge falling wedge pattern. You can see we got stable ejections by the resistance. And by the way, we found the support here in the month of June 2022 after this huge drop. And we had few touch points at the support. And that was a quite clear signal that we are testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, the price and can break out this resistance of the wedge rather than breaking down the support. And in fact, this is a bullish path pattern, this falling wedge pattern. And therefore, after getting squeezed inside this wedge, the price end has finally broken out the resistance of this wedge. And while moving inside this big falling wedge pattern, and when we got bounced here in the month of August 2023, the price end also found another support and resistance of another up channel as well. And after breaking out this quite big falling wedge pattern, the price line also broke out this very, very huge up channel as well. And after the breakout, the pricing got rejected by this next long-term resistance of 3850 that had been previously working as a resistance here, and resistance here as well. And here it has been working as a support. And by the way, you can see that this time we had one more long spike here. Therefore, we cannot even ignore this spike as well. And if I place another trend line here, then you can see that we have now more touch points here as well. That is at 5520, not here, at 4200. Because previously you can see we got stable rejections here and here, and now we have one more rejection. Therefore, we now need to keep an eye on this resistance of 420. And now you can see that the price line is gearing up after retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and after retesting this previous resistance of 250 as a support as well. And at the same time, you can see that Dogelon is also trying to break out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And in my opinion, if you have missed a buying here after breaking out this wedge or after breaking out this channel, then you can also keep an eye on this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, because we have broken out this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And once it will be able to break out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, then this cloud will be working as a very nice and strong and long-term support for the price line of Dogelon, and it can also lift the price line to the upside for the long term. And that will be another very, very nice buying opportunity once the price line will be able to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud. Now, if we take a look at the target for these two breakouts, then target for the breakout from the sub channel is here. That is approximately at 4629, and you can see that the price line was very close to hit that target. And now if you take a look at the target for this huge breakout from this very, very big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at 0000 and 0 5 times 0 $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.